In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open email attachments in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll confidently preview or open files that arrive in your inbox without any confusion. Start by opening Outlook and selecting the email that contains the attachment you want to view. When the message opens, look toward the top of the email. That's where Outlook displays attachments, usually as a row of file icons or tiles. You might see a paperclip icon indicating there's something attached. This placement makes it easy to spot attachments right away, even before you scroll through the message body. From here, you have two simple options. If you want a quick look without leaving Outlook, single-click the attachment. This opens a preview inside the reading pane. The preview is perfect for a fast read-through, like checking a PDF, an image, or a Word document. You can usually scroll through pages, zoom in and out, and get a sense of the file without launching another application. Keep in mind, though, that not every file type supports previewing. If Outlook can't preview it, or if the preview looks limited, don't worry. There's another solution. To open the attachment in its full application, double-click the file. Outlook will hand the file off to its default app on your computer. For example, Word documents open in Microsoft Word, spreadsheets open in Excel, PDFs open in your default PDF viewer, and images